It's almost summertime. When the sun's out, you gotta bring the guns out. You don't need Speedo for this. Just a good old t-shirt and some scissors. Okay, you remember those jeans I Speedoed the hole in the knee a couple weeks ago? Let's go put them in the wash. Here they are right here. They're kind of dirty. There's the patch still on. Let's go. Clearly I don't do the wash very often. I don't even know where the soap is. Okay, let's see if Speedo works. Okay, dryer's done. Here they are. Into the dryer, into the wash.